Hey guys, Andrew here for Nextrift, and today we have the Asus ROG Mothership, which is touted by the Taiwanese company to be the future of desktop replacement. And we're going to take a quick look at this gaming machine right now. So for starters, it's a little bit difficult to consider what form factor is the ROG Mothership. At a glance, it's sort of a gaming tablet because it has a kickstand at the back. And it looks like a tablet, a very big one, but it doesn't have a touchscreen, so it's not really accurate to call it a gaming tablet. So what is it actually? I've actually been trying to find out what Asus officially calls this, and they're just calling it a desktop replacement. So I would just call it an AIO because it looks like an AIO. Anyway, some are inclined to call the ROG Mothership a gaming tablet because it has a keyboard attached to it, just like a Microsoft Surface tablet, for example. It's definitely an interesting form factor for a desktop replacement, but I do wish the bezels surrounding the display were a little bit smaller. I mean, it's so thick. The top parts are thick, the sides are thick, and even the lower one is incredibly thick. But regardless, the ROG Mothership is a powerful gaming machine. It's powered by an Intel Core i9-9980HK processor, which is factory overclocked, as well as an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 GPU, which is also factory overclocked. Without a doubt, you'll get extremely good gaming performance out of the ROG Mothership. That being said, I haven't been able to run any games on this machine yet, but chances are it should be extremely powerful. I mean, it has an RTX 2080 GPU and a Core i9 processor here. Further enhancing the gaming experience is this 17.3-inch 1080p 144Hz display with NVIDIA G-Sync. Thanks to the G-Sync technology, you won't have to deal with screen tearing on any games. On top of that, the 144Hz refresh rate also makes everything look extra smooth. However, while this display is good for gaming, I do wish it's a tad brighter. The display isn't dim by any means, but it does have mediocre brightness for such a premium gaming machine. Besides that, I also wish the viewing angles were a bit better, but if you're gaming on this machine anyway, you'll be looking at it head-on, so it's fine, I guess. To game effectively, you need a good set of keyboard, and in this aspect, the ROG Mothership has a very good keyboard. It has plenty of key travel, the keys are very tactile, and the standard layout makes it easy to get accustomed to it even if you're moving from a full-size keyboard. Just like certain ROG laptops, the ROG Mothership's trackpad also doubles as the numpad with the click of a button. It's really a smart implementation, and the trackpad itself is also pretty accurate, so that's good. Without a doubt, the Asus ROG Mothership is a very impressive gaming machine, but it is also a very costly gaming machine. For the Malaysian market, there is only one variant of the ROG Mothership, and it retails at 26,999 ringgit. That is right, 26,999 ringgit. Nonetheless, there really is no denying the gaming appeal of the ROG Mothership, but given its steep asking price, it's not really a product that is meant for the mainstream market. To me personally, it's more of a device to show what Asus is capable of innovating, and in that sense, it's a concept device that you can actually buy. But if you ask me whether it's worth 26,999 ringgit or not, I would say probably not. If you like a more comprehensive hands-on of the ROG Mothership, check the description box below for a link to the full article on Nextrift.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextrift.